By the time this video's out, you'll be able to come here to Bike Park Wales and ride the line. It's open to anyone.
My name's Duncan Ferris. I'm a professional trail builder. I work here at Bike Park Wales. And yeah, today we start a pretty exciting project with Laurie Greenland. Like with this hip thing here, I mean what I really want to do as well, that might be better down there, I want to like be able to jump over trees. So you sail through over the top of trees.
Yeah, so it's the first time we've had this opportunity to have the terrain to go wild and get creative and try and put my personal touch on it, my personal ideas at the same time as try and make it fun for the public too. I'm pretty excited actually, it's definitely going to have some pretty big hits in it.
What I want to do is build these features as I go and kind of finish them. Yeah. So we can, if the weather's good enough, we can give them a test as we go, and then go, oh, look how much speed we've got. Oh, we haven't even got enough speed for this feature. I'll go back and tweak the one before it. Yeah. Like work our way down this trail. Because like what other trails we've built, we've kind of work our way down the whole thing, do the whole thing, and then go back, tweak stuff. And this one I want to test and finish as we go. So we get it just right. This line, what we've got planned out, starts kind of in the woods. We then pop out into the open. We've got a bit of a faster section, and then we come into the bottom bit with some like new growth woodland. So it's going to have a few different feels to it, and we're going to try and incorporate that into the build. And yeah, should be able to create some really cool features around what we find out on the hill. Yeah.
Primo. Perfect. That's probably the biggest case I got away with. Right, let's get it done properly. Yeah, dude, good job, man.
Yeah. Oh my God. So, well, I've built a massive double, but it's a long way off being done. But I don't want to spend lots of time and effort sort of bulking takeoffs out and bulking the landing up when it might be the wrong place. So, the only thing to do is really to give it a bit of a test.
Yo, Larry. Yo.
Dialed it, yeah. Sick.
So we hit these first 3 hits, and then we're gonna get it kind of flattens off a bit. So we want to get some kind of like stool wally, scrubby stuff, some little rollers, maybe a little on-off or something, just like fun, flowy stuff. Yeah, hopefully we can generate the speed to, well, enough speed that we can jump over that tree down there, which would be real cool.
We built a landing, yeah, over here somewhere.
The only thing I'm thinking is the landing will have to be so big. I guess actually maybe not, because you can bowl that out as well, can't you?
Yeah, so that could be dug back. Should we try this hip, and then we can go down and have a look at that space?
Sick. No, I'll give you space. Well, you know the speed of it, bud.
Yeah. It's only if it's sticky or wet and slippery, and you push into that corner.
Go on then. Me, dude. Yes, Dunk. That was sick.
Yo.
Now I looked at the lip and I saw a tree and I was like, what am I doing? That's brakes like. Ah! Ah! It's cool to see this hip like in real life, not in my imagination. It's sick. Yo, way! You can get so creative with a straight bit of track. like mad. Yeah. What kind of creativity do we get up to here then? Oh, dude, I got a crazy idea.
Keep them coming.
A lip that was basically, you went woof over to there and you landed on and then you're just flying off.
Ooh, okay.
Imagine like a drone follow cam of someone like
down the road
doing that, and it was just like
you go and
yeah,
down over here somewhere.
And you'd almost be coming at that lip quite strangely. It'd be like,
yeah,
you would be going like, whoa.
You still want like a step down kind of jump and then some whoops. If we can fit it in halfway through the project. Seems to be on schedule. We've had hot, dry, sunny weather that was very exciting, and now we've got wet, sticky, rainy Welsh weather again. The whoops, where every mountain biker wants to be able to ride just like a motocross rider. The way I've built these is, obviously mountain bike hasn't got an engine, so you're not going to be able to keep speed over them, but we've made the faces of them a little bit flatter and then the backside steeper, so you don't ride into an abrupt edge. They're a bit more flatter on the top. Trying to have this opportunity to actually build a set that work on a mountain bike, I suppose, but feel how you'd hope they'd feel on a crosser, then yeah, kind of be a good, something a bit different.
Oh my God! Those whoops were mad! Yo! How sick are those whoops, dude? They work perfect. Yeah, I heard the tick 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 tick.
I'm panicking. Oh no, don't break.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, now we're into these smaller trees and we've sort of cleared the line through and gone through and built the features now, which is yeah, pretty exciting actually. But yeah, it'll be slightly daunting test riding this.
You gonna send it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, hell. Might not be able to have kids again. What happened? Well, we shot it by 15 feet.
How much speed for this?
There's a second one, like you just
This is
roll straight through.
that was the first time, and I kind of sprinted in quite a bit.
Oh my God. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Oh, it's so funny, the old panic crank for the second one. Hey! How's the warp speed Suey?
I will sit in the digger and think about riding the feature for hours and hours, and then I'll ride it and it might feel a bit different than how I expected. And then getting Laurie's feedback and his actual professional opinion of it, and actually seeing how easy he can make it look or how much fun he can have on a feature I was struggling with is, yeah, it's a good sign really, because it means I'm going in the right direction. Is that a clear line? Good. Are we filming? Am I filming?
Am I filming?
Am I filming? Yeah, you're filming.
Sick.
I'm not, I just turned mine off. Whoa.
Did you get that?
Yeah.
Okay,
The old front wheel tuck in the tree.
I was watching you go through, and all I saw was you go into the tree on the side, thinking you've not gone through the gap.
Jump over the tree. We ended up getting 2 of those in, which is cool because just adds character to the trail. Just mixing it up a bit. It's never really seen stuff like that in a trail that's going to be open to the public as well. So that's going to be a good one for you guys to give a shot on.
So this is known as the Badger. This was our workhorse quad where we fill with stone and cart it around the hill, and it went pop about 6 months ago probably, and it's just not worth repairing, unfortunately. So we thought, what better way to send it off than put it in a trail. The idea is I'm going to tilt the back up, fill it full of dirt, this takeoff will carry on up the back of the quad, and we'll jump over and step down into this bowl. Is that the first time you've hit that?
Yeah.
Is it? Sick. Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice actually, it works.
Yeah, you go higher than I thought off that quad.
Yeah.
Like, much higher.
Yeah, that reel works. Mine and Dunk's shady sketches on paper have come to life. It's real cool.
One of the things I've always wanted to do as well, you see all these videos come out, people's edits and stuff, and you just think, oh, I'd love to ride that. And yeah, building it in the bike park here just means that if you want to come and have a go at it, it's here for the public.
Spot. Literally perfect.
Yeah, happy? Sick.
Yeah.